Okay, so I'm not standing right now. I'm stooping down in my chair. Woo! The Lord is my shepherd. This is not what I want. Konnichiwa minasan, koko wa desu. Wagwan everybody, I don't know, say your girl Coco. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Coco and welcome back to my channel. I put these two things under my eye. I don't know, I see a lot of people doing it. I don't like it on me, to be honest, and just a different top. So guys, today I'm gonna show you pretty much this new wig that I bought. So this is the wig that I bought. It is a ombre black and gray wig. I bought this from DHgate and this is actually, I think, 20 or 22 inches. This is synthetic. It's not real, it's synthetic. The ombre, I really like the ombre on this. Like most wigs, the ombre, it's like, okay, the black just stops here and then the other color. I don't like that. The ombre blended in really nicely, and the gray, it's a really nice gray. Like when you shift the hair, you see different tones of gray. Sometimes it comes up as dark and sometimes it comes up very light. So I am going to blow dry the ends of my hair because it's a little bit like thick right now and I want to put my hair in two big braids. I was requested to do a blowout video on how I do like my own blowout. So in that video I will go more in depth with this. Blow dryer is a great blow dryer, by the way. I don't use the big heavy ones because they're big and heavy and they're more complicated. So yeah, it's falling apart. Okay, so when I ordered the wig, I got a pack of these things. They are very far off. Yes, you're correct. But whenever I put the wig on over this, it doesn't show. So it's still good and it's really good quality, to be honest. It's really thick and really stretchy. So yeah, it's really, 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 really good quality. So for the wig itself, it has this much of lace in the front, and if the up here looks kind of shiny and disgusting, that's hair gel. This is how much lace you get, and that's gel right there. That's hair gel. I know it's nasty, I'm sorry, but yeah. So it has 1, 2, 3 clips in the front, and it doesn't have any clips in the back. It just has this elastic strap, and to help secure the back, I put these 2 bobby pins on there, so whenever I put it on, I just stick them in the back of my head. So because this wig is a little bit big, I'm not sure if I had an option to choose like size. So what I like to do is this elastic right here, there are 2 loops right here. I would put this one inside this one right here, and the other one I would put it in the other one so it could be tight enough to grab onto my head. Okay. So I don't really like to attach, okay, so the clip is right here, and this is where the lace actually stops. I wish it was like right here. That would be like a 13 by 4 inch lace front, but this is not a 13 by 4. So I actually like to just attach the two clips on the side. If I'm gonna be like very active, then I would attach the clip in the center and I would put more bobby pins in. But since I'm not doing any extra activities, I just put the clips in at the side. And this wig actually came curly and I blow dried it straight. I've never flat ironed this wig. I just blow dried it and it turned out great. So I'm gonna blow dry this to straighten it out and get back to you guys. I'm actually liking this a whole lot. Black girl, gray hair, blue eyes. You can come for me later. So to style this, actually the whole wig came in one length, and I actually used a razor blade like this one, and I just held it like this and just cut it down like this. Like, you can just glide it down. It depends on how sharp it is. The more you want to cut off, you can just go like this, but you have to do it very moderately. Don't just give it one big chop and think that everything will be okay. Like, it does take some time. It doesn't take a lot of time. It takes a little time, okay? So to do my edges, I cut some in the front because, like I said, the whole wig came in one long length. So there's a lot of gel already on the edges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my toothbrush here for my edges, not for my teeth, no, and some water, and I'm just gonna spray that on the toothbrush and then just brush the edges to kind of soften the gel. And me doing my edges, it all depends on how I'm gonna wear this hair. Sometimes I wear it with like a hat. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not gonna glue it down because like I can't wear this wig to work, obviously, so I can't glue it down. So I just have it like this and I just glue it down. I just gel it down, sorry. And the gel that I use, it's a very hard gel. It looks like this, ultra hard. Some of those Japanese brand gels. It's very, very, very hard, to be honest. Like, I can just take some, lift this wig, put the gel down, let it dry, let it get a little bit tacky, then press it down and it will stay there. Like, it's not strong like those hair glue, Gorilla Snot glue type thingy majiggies, which I've never used before, but it still works. What else can I say about this wig? I don't know about this wig. Let me just show you the length of this wig. This is 22 inches, I think, like I said before, but my height, I'm 5 feet 2 inches, so this wig, if you are taller than me, this might fit you like a 20 inch, or it might look a little shorter on you, but I'm short, so it is a little long-ish on me. I like to wear it like this sometimes, or I'll just have it like this, and then sometimes I'll have a cap on, and because I cut some layers in the front, I can just pull some hairs out and it would look cute. Okay, listen, I know that there was like a lace in the front, and I know, like, okay, this is where the lace stops. You can see the tracks right here. It never really clicked, like, in all the time that I've been wearing this wig. It never clicked to me that, okay, girl, try like some little braids in the front or something. This is so cute. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of one of those tier. You know those straight haired dogs, like the long hair dogs? And their hair like kind of goes over, or, but this is really cute. This is really cute. Like, this is a look. I'm gonna wear this out one day. Like, sis, I am my own anime right now. Like, legit. I am my own anime right now. Who are you? Who is this? Hi, hello. So that was it for this hair review video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.